Hey guys, so today I'm making a really fun pie. We're starting with 2 cups of potato chips, and to that we're going to be adding 1 cup of half and half. This is so good. If you haven't tried this, I promise it's going to be a hit. Then we're adding 1 egg, and a second egg. And then you're going to be adding an entire 8-ounce tub, that's 1 cup of sour cream, goes right on top. Once that's all in there, you're going to give this a really good mix. So now that we've got 1 layer of this potato chips in, we're going to add half of this bag, so just 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese. You can use cheddar if you want. On top of the cheese, we're going to be adding some Old Bay seasoning. Old Bay tastes so good. Plenty of that. Add some paprika and some onion powder. Then we're just going to add a little bit of black pepper. I'm not adding any salt because this is pretty salty already with the potato chips. And then we're going to repeat the process with the 2nd layer of potato chips. And just kind of spread out that 2nd layer of potato chips. It's going to be so good. And just kind of push it down on all sides. And then we're kind of repeating the process. We're topping it with the rest of that Colby Jack cheese. Make sure that covers everything. This is gonna get so melty and bubbly and so good. And I'm adding just a little bit more Old Bay and just a little bit more paprika. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Oh my God. This looks so, it looks like a pie, but I'm gonna cut into it, see if those potato chips actually did their thing. I mean, I love potatoes and cheese, so I don't think I'll hate the taste of it, but let's see if I can get this little doohickey going. Get that first slice out. Oh, look! Oh, just came out just like a slice of pie. That's amazing. I guess you could put like sour cream or whatever you want on top of this, but geez, look at that. That looks amazing. You see like the little layers of potatoes. Cheesy potato goodness. It doesn't taste like potato chips at all. It tastes like mashed potatoes. This is amazing. I'd give this, I don't know, a 12 out of 10. You should totally make this sometime for your next potluck.